Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth to your Nissan Altima. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on your Altima's ignition. Next, access the settings or phone menu on your car's infotainment system. Simultaneously, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, preparing both your car and phone for pairing. We're aiming for a seamless experience right from the start. Now, let's pair your device. From your Altima's Bluetooth menu, select Connect Device or Add New. Your car's system will then begin searching for available devices. On your mobile device, look for and select Nissan Altima or the specific name displayed on your car's screen. A pairing code, usually a 4-digit or 6-digit number, will appear on both screens. Confirm this code to complete the secure connection. This step ensures only authorized devices are linked. With your device successfully connected, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth in your Altima. You can make and receive calls completely hands-free, enhancing your safety on the road. Easily access your phone's contacts directly through the Altima system. Furthermore, stream audio, such as your favorite music or podcasts, directly from your device. Adjust the volume conveniently using either the steering wheel controls or the infotainment system, providing a truly integrated experience. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your connection fails, try restarting both your phone and your Altima's infotainment system. Always ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable during the pairing process. It's also a good practice to delete any old, unused devices from your Altima's Bluetooth memory to prevent interference. For any model-specific details or persistent issues, always consult your Altima's owner's manual for comprehensive guidance. Happy connecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.